Kinesio taping is ideal for lymphedema. After surgery for any type of cancer or melanoma, or where lymph nodes have been removed and a person is at risk of getting lymphedema, for example, mastectomy, lumpectomy, sentinel node biopsy, axillary clearance, melanoma, prostate, testicular, penile, uterine, vulva, ovarian, bowel, stomach, and cervical. Kinesio taping can be used on any part of the body where lymph fluid has built up, for example, the foot, ankle, leg, genitals, abdomen, breast, chest, back, arm, hand, head, neck, or face. Kinesio taping was developed by a Japanese chiropractor, Dr. Kenzo Kaze, nearly 20 years ago. This method of taping uses a uniquely designed tape for the treatment of muscular disorders and lymphedema reduction. Since the introduction of kinesio taping, medical practitioners, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, chiropractors, osteopaths, lymph drainage therapists, and massage therapists have recognized and adopted this effective, safe, and easy-to-use therapy. The method and tape allows a person to wear and receive the therapeutic benefits on a 24-hour-day basis and can be worn for up to 4 days per application. Currently, kinesio taping is practiced in hospitals, clinics, private practices, universities, high schools, and by professional sports teams. Even private individuals are now learning to use this tape at home to treat their own lymphedema. It is safe and easy to use. It is made of 100% high-grade cotton for comfort and breathing. It's 100% elastic, the same flexibility as human skin and muscles. There are no medicinal properties in the tape and no latex. It has a heat-active adhesive, is lightweight and hypoallergenic. It has air circulation waves which channels out sweat and water and enhances skin breathing. Its thickness and weight is approximately the same as the skin, so it's not felt when it's in place. It's extremely durable, with an average of 4 days wear per application. You can shower with the tape applied without any concern of it dislodging, and it's very economical. This handheld laser is a fully portable, battery-operated, laser-based lymphedema therapy unit. It speeds up sluggish lymph flow, helping to accelerate reabsorption of edema and lymphedema. It reduces edema and lymphedema pressure pain, reducing inflammation. It enhances blood flow. It effectively and non-invasively reduces pain. It accelerates wound healing, especially following surgery. It speeds up scar tissue repair. It helps minimize scarring. It relieves inflammatory conditions. It prevents fibrosis from occurring. It breaks up old and new fibrotic tissue if already a problem. The Biotron Light employs a combination of infrared and visible light wavelengths considered to be beneficial in the treatment of different types of problems and injuries. It is especially effective in the treatment of lymphedema, lymph fluid congestion, and lymphorrhea, leaking lymph fluid, and wounds following surgery and injury. It helps break down scar tissue and breaks up tissue hardening and reduces pain, tightness, and heaviness. It speeds up wound healing and is extremely effective in pain relief. Improved lymph fluid movement and improved wound healing may reduce the risk of infection, decrease the number of costly bandages or dressings, and more importantly, return the patient to a pre-injury level of activity more quickly. It increases the activity of the lymphatic system, and when used simultaneously with a handheld laser, it considerably reduces lymph fluid volume and breaks up fibrosis. The Hemavat 200 deep oscillation is a unique therapy method for intensified manual modes of treatment for lymph drainage massage. It's specifically for edema and lymphedema reduction. It is extremely effective in reabsorbing fluid, edema. It's highly effective in reducing pain. It reduces inflammation. It promotes wound healing. It improves the quality of the tissue. It prevents fibrosis, and it detoxifies the area. Plus, it has a number of other benefits. After surgery, for example, breast or prostate cancer or melanoma. It can be used immediately on the first post-operative day. It has an effective prophylaxis for local oedema, helping to stop any fluid from building up at all. It assists with pain relief and improved sensitivity, helping with faster recovery. It provides high-quality wound healing, healing scarring faster and more effectively. The Hemovat 200 is a compact unit and can be transported very easily. Due to its integrated battery and safety battery charger, the unit can be operated by mains or battery and can therefore be optimally used both in and outside a clinical practice or home. The unit is easy to use, which makes application possible after only a short time of training. This DVD is demonstrating a single chamber unit from Queensland Biomedical, Australia. 5, 6 and 10 chamber units are made by various companies. It's a treatment system using multi-chambered garments which sequentially inflate with air, creating a gentle massaging effect on a limb or trunk, facilitating movement and drainage of built-up fluids and stimulating blood and lymphatic flow through the tissues. It is comfortable, effective, simple and easy to use, and you can just lie there and relax while the machine does the gentle massage for you. The system comprises a 10-chambered arm, leg or abdominal garment with air filling each chamber in turn, which moves the lymph fluid through the tissue. Varying pressure can be applied to the limbs or abdomen according to the requirements of the condition being treated. The recommended varying pressure that can be applied is up to a maximum of 40 milligrams of mercury, otherwise it may be harmful. Lymphatic conditions that can benefit are primary and secondary lymphedema, oedema, pre- and post-operatively, breaking down fibrosis, and post-chemotherapy. With the introduction of pneumatic compression therapy, patients can use these small, easy-to-use portable machines in their own home, away from the hospital clinic environment. The Circulator is a small plastic cuff that inflates easily by mouth with the use of its plastic inflation tube. It can be inflated to a comfortable pressure to suit each person, depending on the size of the limb. You use it by rolling it up and down the affected arm or leg, and by doing this, it activates microcirculation and helps eliminate excess lymph fluid. You will feel and see the results within minutes. It relieves painful pressure and lymph swelling within minutes. It is easy to use. The treatment time is only about 3 to 5 minutes. It's totally portable. It fits easily into a handbag or pocket. It can be used anywhere at any time. It doesn't require any training, and it's extremely cost-effective.